Hey guys, it's Megan Elizabeth, and I'm really excited to be live with you this afternoon. We have some really fun things to share, and I'm hoping this is working because this is my very first time in the history of ever using this particular setup to do a Facebook Live. So if you're watching, say hello. Let me know where you're watching from, how your day is going. If you're watching the replay, could you just comment with a hashtag replay and let me know how you're doing and what you think and what's happening in your life right now. I'm really excited to talk to you a little bit today about the Erin Condren Life Planner. As you know, I'm a ginormously huge fan of Erin Condren, and I've been blessed with the incredible opportunity and honor of presenting, oh, I think it's working, of presenting Erin Condren with my QVC family, and I absolutely love it. The Erin Condren brand has been around for a really long time, and they really specialize in bringing us made in the USA quality planners to organize our life and our everyday. And with this exclusive QVC bundle that you get to choose a colorful or neutral life planner in the vertical layout. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute if you haven't already seen it before. You're also going to get an interchangeable cover so you can change up the look and refresh it as you go and as much as you want. And you'll also get a set of the dual tip markers. Hey, Rhonda, thanks so much for joining. Okay, so I see some comments. So I think that this new setup is working. I really appreciate you guys joining today. These markers are phenomenal, and they don't bleed through the 80-pound Mohawk paper that are in these life planners. And so I've actually gotten a lot of questions recently about what the different planners are and what I recommend and why. And I'm going to show you why I recommend this particular life planner and how I use it in this video. Once again, we are going to be live on QVC tonight. So I hope you'll come over and check it out. You can watch right here from Facebook on the QVC page, QVC Live. You can go to your local cable station and look for QVC main channel, or you can also visit a Roku or smart device and check out the QVC app that way. But we're bringing you a really special exclusive bundle to QVC from the Erin Condren family, and it's pretty awesome. So some of the things that you'll get inside, like I said, is the dual tip markers. You're going to get this set that includes the color magenta, dark orange, teal, cornflower blue, purple, and black. So it's a really great thing to give you a good fun mix of bright different colors. It comes in a great little plastic case. I keep mine on my desk here. I have a little tray here in front of me. They kind of sit here, and they're all over the place in my office, I'm not gonna lie, and then I have a whole set in my purse that go everywhere with me. What's so great about these is that they have the two tips. So you have the finer point for the more detailed work, which is really great. That's kind of blurry because this is tracked to my face right now and not on the images, but it's a really great fine point for detailed writing. I'm not exactly sure of the point size of it, but I would compare it to a 0.5, very similar. I'm not exactly sure if that's exactly what it is, but it's very similar. And then the more broad tip, which is really great for doing crossing out or highlighting or doing more of that medium writing work. And it's really great for, like I said, crossing out or highlighting events and different things in your planner. This is my current life planner for the 2021 year. Nothing better than to kick 2020 to the curb than to start getting a fresh, new perspective, goals, intentions set for what the 2021 year is going to look like in your life. I really find that planners bring me a sense of calm, a sense of peace. They really help me to reduce some of the stress and the chaos. And when I'm having a moment of just not feeling at my top, I like to pull out my planner and use it even more for journaling and my daily 3 tracking, even more than anything else. Yes, I keep track of all of my appointments and my Zoom meetings and all of the calls that we have and the things that we have to manage and keep track of in our day-to-day life, but it's so much more than that, especially when you're using the life planner. It's a quality thick planner. These are hand coiled here in the USA, so it's a very strong coil that's not going to bend, snap, or break like some other planners that I've used in the past. I've literally had a coil completely fall apart on me. That's no fun. Hey, Melissa, planners are absolutely life. So this is my 2021. It is the colorful layers planner. The concept of layers is that a beautiful life is built upon infinite layers. So Erin Condren team has put together a neutrals. So it's that more soft, subtle, muted layers color, which, oh, P.S. and by the way, yes, I did go out and I purchased the Erin Condren Layers Sherpa blanket, and I did get it customized. This is not on QVC, but it is on Erin Condren's website. Hold on, let me show you. Yes, I did this. So it says Megan Elizabeth She Makes Club, and yes, it matches the neutrals layers. I'm not gonna lie, I love this. The front is like, it's a soft kind of velvet, like felt kind of feel. It's not super plush on the printed side, but the Sherpa inside is so cuddly, soft, and warm. It's kind of amazing. Anyway, I digress because I got distracted by the something shiny and the something pretty. But so you have the choice in your value purchase tonight of whether you're going to choose the neutrals, that's so pretty and soft, or the colorful. And the colorful is what I'm using for 2021 because I like a pop of bright. Typically, I go with the neutrals. My 2020 calendar, I have a custom cover that I made, and it is all the neutrals. And so the way that I utilize this planner, this is the vertical layout. I like to divide and conquer, but I use it to do my daily threes. So you're going to, I'll just show you what a blank page looks like. You're going to have these sections here of each day of the week in 3 different sections, and then like a little note section along the bottom. I use this for daily threes. So the 3 things I'm thankful for every day, 3 action items that I'm committed to taking for that day, and then the 3 big goals that I keep affirming to myself over and over again. And then the little appointments and other meetings that I have to keep track of fit perfectly in this note section for me. Now everybody's a little bit different, and I recognize that. So you'll be able to customize it to what works for you. It's not houred out, which I love. I hate when I have to try to like cross out, white out, washi tape out all of the hours in the side of the planner. I'm not a plan by hour kind of girl. I plan by zones. I plan by areas of my life. So this works really well to be able to customize that. The other thing that's so unique and I love so much about the Erin Condren is that each month is tabbed, and now they have made the tab open up to a full overview of the entire month calendar. Last year, when you opened to the tab, it opened to a dashboard, but they did not do away with the dashboard, which is so phenomenal. When you turn the page, this is one of my favorite things. You have a blank notebook page that you're able to put in whatever you need. Sometimes you can do a reflection from the month before. You could do master to-do list, which is what I love to do. I love keeping a master to-do list for my month that I'm not feeling like I can kind of brain dump and put everything that needs to be done, but I'm not like locked into I have to do that today. You know what I mean? So having a running master to-do list for the month is a great way to do that. Then you have these little sections on the other side. There's 3 dot kind of check mark things. You're able to do your top goals or top events or top things that are happening. You have kind of a fun little stylized box here that you're able to write different things in. I usually do prayer requests, or my one little word journaling goes in this box. You have a lined area. I use this as a financial tracker or a business tracker in this lined area every single month. Again, customize it to what works for your life. You know, maybe you want to customize it for the kids' school schedule or sporting events, or maybe you want to customize it to your personal habit tracker, or maybe you want to use it for, you know, keeping track of birthdays and anniversaries right in the front. It's a really easy way to look and do that. And then at the very bottom area here, it's a shadowed out grid, dot grid that you're able to use. Again, great for habit tracking. I use it for planning all of my membership stuff. So I create a little sticker that I stick on there, and I track everything that needs to go in there for me personally. So I really, really love that particular thing. And then again, it goes right into each day of the week. So I think this is really a lot of fun. It has a little insert pop out ruler that is great as like a bookmark almost, and it just pops in and out of the coil. And again, you customize these areas that work for you. Maybe you want to use it for meal planning, breakfast, lunch, dinner. Maybe you want to use it as an area for yourself, your kids, and your home, or your business, or your work. Maybe you want to do it for your daily threes. Maybe you want to do it for each one of your kids. Maybe you want to do it as an AM, PM, you know, afternoon, PM kind of thing, and you want to label out the times. It is also flexible. And the other thing too that I love is this has happened to me many times where I've bought planners in my past and I feel like I don't use every page in the planner, and suddenly I'm like, well, was it even worth my investment because I didn't use every page? I go back and print out photos from my phone, from my iPhone, and I stick them in there and make them little journal entry type pages of things that happened throughout that particular month. So it's just a really great way to look back through and use this as a memory keeper journal, as well as your actual day-to-day planner, keeping control of the chaos and being able to divide and conquer your day. Hey Jen, hey guys, I'm so thankful that you guys decided to join us today, and I really hope that you'll join us tonight on QVC. For more. In the back, there is another, back of the month, there is another notebook page that you're able to do. And each month has a beautiful little bit of inspiration as well in beautiful colored designs. Do it with all your heart for February 2021. If you go to March, you'll see change your thoughts and change the world for March 2021. So there's just a lot of really cool options, and you can really just kind of see your life at a glance as you go through your year. And then in the very back, every calendar comes with some coiled in stickers. So they're foiled stickers. You can mark out birthdays and anniversaries and all kinds of fun things. There's little journal like tab stickers as well. And there's just so many awesome stickers to be able to track and add a little bit of extra color and fun to your life. They're coiled right in, so you don't have to worry about it. They coordinate and match beautifully with each month. So this is what is so cool. And then in the very back, you'll see your 2022 calendar at a glance too. So you're able to start planning for way in the future as needed or necessary to keep track and to move that forward also. And then there's little pockets in the back. And the really cool thing too that Erin Condren planners also do is these covers are dry erase or wet erase compatible. So if you do a dry erase marker, it may come off in here, but if you get wet erase markers or even Sharpies, you can wash them off with like rubbing alcohol, and you can use this as another tracking area also for quick little notes and things to jot down that you may not want to keep as a permanent thing in your planner either. So I just think these are so amazing. I do use them literally every single day of my life. I have more than one planner and Erin Condren notebook that go about my life. I love the petite notebooks, and we also have a really fun little bonus to tonight also that you may want to check out and tune in for. If you haven't seen this fun little stationery box yet, you definitely want to tune in and check that out. This fun little decorative Erin Condren stationery box contains beautiful pre-made cards, foiled, gorgeous, for both birthday, thank you cards, congratulation cards, inspiration cards, and support cards. They all have the envelope. And then you're also going to get a fun little stationery book, which I didn't pull out yet, but I will have it out a little bit later. And it contains wrapping paper, stickers, tags, and so much more. So it's a fun little extra clever thing that Erin Condren has come up with to keep us creative, and also giving those little notes of encouragement and inspiration on the go. So I really hope to see you guys tonight at QVC. It's so much fun to be able to present from home and bring you into our homes on live national television. I think it's just pretty phenomenal what we're able to do even in such a time as 2020. And I really cannot wait to look forward to 2021, setting all the goals, intentions, and the fun things with your life planner. If you have any questions, of course, you can always private message me, send me an email, or drop me a comment below. I am happy to get back to you as soon as I possibly can. If you need help with what planner, what the link, what location, just let me know. I'll drop that in the comments or descriptions as well as we go about tonight. And I'll see you starting at 9 p.m. Eastern is when the show starts with Jennifer Coffee, and we will be presenting with her. She's amazing. She's a planner girl herself. Her and her daughter both use the Erin Condren life planners to keep track of busy college schedules and other things, as well as the day-to-day life stuff that we all have. And I'm really excited to be able to talk about that with her tonight as well. So she should be live with me right around the 11:35-ish, 11:40-ish. You know, live TV schedules shift and change a little bit. And we'll be chatting it up tonight. So I hope you'll join us. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.